For thousands of years, humanity lived at the mercy of the elements. But we didn't just watch the skies, we tried to control them. The most vital quest was for rain. In a world without science, a drought wasn't just a weather event, it was a death sentence. In the American Southwest, the Zuni people performed feathered mask dances, using turquoise and feathers to call upon the wind and rain. In South Africa, the Lobadu people looked to their rain queen, a figure believed to possess mystical powers over the very clouds themselves. Ancient Chinese Wu shamans would dance in rings of fire until they were drenched in sweat, acting as intermediaries between man and nature. And in India, rishis chanted sacred Vedic mantras, using the power of sound and offerings to manifest sudden bursts of rainfall. The Romans practiced the Aqua Elysium, where a sacred water-flowing stone was brought to the Senate to call upon the god Jupiter. Slavic cultures had the Kaloyan and Dodola rites, where greenery and dance were used to symbolize the return of the life-giving rains. Even into the 19th century, concussionists tried to jar rain loose from the sky by firing cannons and detonating explosives. The Greeks honored Demeter, the goddess of grain, with honey cakes and fruit, believing her favor was the only way to ensure a full belly. Many indigenous cultures practiced first fruits ceremonies, refusing to eat until the first of the harvest was offered back to the land. The Cherokee green corn ceremony remains a powerful tradition of thanksgiving, feasting, and the renewal of the community's bond with nature. In Japan, farmers observe the Hatsuho festival, presenting the season's first rice to Shinto shrines as a mark of respect and gratitude. But while rain was life, the storm was a weapon. Ancient cultures developed dark rituals to appease the gods of thunder and lightning. In ancient Sumeria, people prayed to Ishkur, the god of rain and storms, begging him to spare their fragile crops from his destructive wrath. The Maya performed elaborate ceremonies, including human sacrifice, to summon the rain god Chak and manage the unpredictable weather. For the Nordic tribes, the storm was the work of Thor. Rituals were dedicated to his hammer, Mjolnir, the source of thunder and protector of man. Today, we use satellites and science. But the rituals of our ancestors remind us of a time when we weren't just observers of nature, but participants in its sacred dance.